Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I'm Irfan Hussain, and today I'm with another video regarding a series of language skills. And today's topic is pre-reading strategies. And we need to know what we need to do before starting our reading. So the first thing that you have to keep away all your distractions so that you can have a complete focus on your book. Especially keep away your mobile phone. If you want to read something from mobile, then put it on airplane mode so that it could not disturb you. If you have some television in your home, in your room, switch it off so that you can have a complete focus on your mission. So you can set your goal quite calmly and with a peace of mind. Keep it in mind that setting a goal is the first prerequisite of your reading. Then you should know what you are going to read and why you are going to read actually. Then other thing is you must have a dictionary with you, because many a time while reading you will need to have will need to look some word to find out its meaning. The dictionary can help you. This dictionary can be in the book form, and it can also be an Android application. And again, if you are using it from Android mobile, please don't forget to put your mobile on airplane mode. Next, now you have book in your hand. So first, preview it. That should be a preview of the whole book, what you are going to study, what you expect to find out from the book. Also predict it, that what questions will be fulfilled with reasonable answers from it. Then form these questions, brainstorm yourself, write down the questions so that you know what you are going to find, and you can make a sketch on some paper, and in sketch you can map out your reading, you can plan your reading, you can write the questions on the paper, and then you can answer these questions from your reading. Also, you can cut some sticky notes with some questions, and then you can write these answers that you find from your book on these sticky notes, and it will become an organized way of making notes. So this is all for today. These are very few things that you need to consider before reading, and I hope that if you consider all these things while reading, you will definitely find out your reading more beneficial and more suitable for you. So thank you very much for today. Our next topic will be about another reading series. This will be about finding out the main ideas, main clues from the paragraph. Rather, it is main idea and heading of the paragraphs. Thank you very much.